Kidsplora!
Kidsplora.
Let's explore the world with Kidsplora. Woo! Hello, my friends. It's drawing time. Let's draw an apple. We start by drawing the apple, then the leaf.
Raise the sail, let's all shout. Hip, hip, hip. La 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 la.
Can you draw an apple like this one?
Well done!
Let's learn the colors.
Captain, Captain, raise the sail.
Red.
Over there I see a whale.
Red.
Jumping high in the sky and is waving a giant tail. Hip, hip, hip. On
Green.
our ship. Hip, hip, hip. We have a
Green.
hip, hip, hip. Raise the sail, let's all shout. Hip, hip, hip. La 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 la.
Blue.
La 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 la.
Blue. Yellow. Yellow.
Raise the sail, catch the breeze.
Now, after learning the colors, it's time to paint. Let's color this apple. Let's choose the red color.
Hip, hip, hip. On our ship. Hip, hip, hip. We have a trip. Hip, hip, hip. Raise the sail, let's all shout. Hip, hip, hip. Kidsplora, Kidsplora. Kidsplora. Kidsplora, Kidsplora. Kidsplora.
We color the leaf with the green color.
On our ship. Hip, hip, hip. We have a trip. Hip, hip, hip. Raise the sail, let's all shout. Hip, hip, hip. La, la,
It's a great pleasure to be with all of you, my friends. That looks great. Do you know that the apple can also be yellow? It can also be green. This video has been made in cooperation with Admiral's Publishing.
Alphabet time.
Let's learn how to write the word apple. A-P-P-L-E. We will use the book named Warm Up 1 Handwriting Book. Now, open the book and jump to stage 40. Now, we will trace the letters together. We will start from the black dot. Then we will follow the arrows.
A.
Jumping high in the sky
P.
and is waving a giant tail. Hip, hip, hip. On
P.
our ship. Hip, hip, hip. We have a trip. Hip,
L.
hip. Raise the sail, let's all shout.
E.
Hip, hip, hip. La 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 la.
We hope you really enjoyed watching. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see all our new videos. Thanks for watching.